What is this?
Toy.
What's that?
Hindi, this one, the whole thing.
Puting.
What's
Ano
that?
to?
Holding.
Sabi niya, door.
Ah, door. Ayun ba yung door?
Toy.
Ano to?
Ano yun, JD?
Hindi,
Ayun,
ito, buo ito. What picture is this?
House.
Very good. Oh, you sit down first.
Sit down ka muna.
Sit down. Kasi marami tayong gagawin. Ito, anong tawag dito?
Toy.
Ito, sino to?
Money.
Ito,
Lolo.
ito,
Tatay.
ito.
Money.
Ay, ito. Who's this?
Baby.
Baby, galing naman. This one. Boy or girl?
Boy.
Ikaw.
Boy.
Boy, this one.
Girl.
Wow, galing naman.
Oh, wait.
What is this?
Slippers.
Slipper.
Shoes.
Shoes.
This one.
Rolling.
Crayons.
Yellow.
This one.
House.
This one.
Boy.
This one.
Bus.
Wow! This one. Ito pa.
Rolling.
Drawing.
Pan-drawing.
Yes.
Pencil to, pencil. You say pencil.
Pencil.
Okay, this one.
What's that?
Yeah.
Umbrella.
And then.
And this one.
Chicken.
Scissor. Galing ah.
JD, wait. Ayun na.
Dito ka muna. Sit down ka. Mamaya ka na magpe-play. Promise, you will play. Alright?
Yay.
Okay. This one.
Tingin mo muna yun, JD.
Dito.
What is this?
Dito.
Sit down daw.
Nakakatuwa ka. Association stage. Galing. This one.
Table.
Table. Galing naman. This one. What is this?
Toy.
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 This one.
Ball.
Ball.
Spoon.
Spoon. Galing naman. What color is this?
Orange.
This one.
Blue.
Blue. This one.
Yellow.
This one. Galing naman.
Yellow.
This one.
Yellow.
Red.
Red.
Nalilito po kasi siya sa yellow red po.
Okay lang. What is this?
Orange.
Orange. This one.
Banana.
Banana. This one.
Orange.
This one.
Apple.
Galing naman talaga ng baby ko. This one. What shape is this?
I believe what shape is that daw?
Look at here.
Ball.
This one.
Triangle.
Triangle daw po.
Triangle. This one. Circle.
Oh, teacher.
Circle. This one.
Heart.
This one. This one.
Ayan.
What is this? Okay.
What's that, JD?
Square.
Bear.
Wait lang. Later
This
na.
one, this
Ito
one.
muna. Finish mo muna to para play ka na. Finish mo na yun.
What is this?
Toy.
This one.
House.
This one.
Heart.
This one.
TikTok.
TikTok.
Ikaw naman, nagpapatawa ka naman eh. Okay, next. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. Galing naman.
Wait
This
na,
one.
JD.
Mamaya ka magpe-play.
Okay.
Dito ka muna. Upo ka. This one.
Finish mo na yun no, para play ka na.
Orange.
Orange. This one.
Lock.
This one.
Green.
This one.
Yellow.
Ang galing naman.
Tingnan ako.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Wait lang. Ikaw naman, oh. This one.
Yellow.
This one.
Lock.
This one.
Yellow.
This one.
Purple.
This one.
Rock. Tingnan ako.
Wait lang.
Wait lang. Finish mo
Mamaya,
na yun. Ay, almost
mamaya
done.
ka, mamaya.
Ay, almost
Oh,
done na, JD.
Sit down, sit down. Oh, what shape is this?
Triangle.
This one.
Triangle.
This one.
Triangle.
Naku, alam mo talaga, triangle ha? Yes.
No pa. JD, wait mo muna. Don't touch.
Reiko.
Don't touch. Don't touch. Wait no, finish mo na ito para play ka na. JD. Ha?
Mama ko.
Hindi. Finish mo muna ito para cook ka na, okay? Ayan.
Dami tuwi.
Dami toys.
Animal is this.
Dog.
This one.
Horse.
This one.
Cat.
This one.
Pig.
This one.
Kitten.
Ang galing naman talaga.
Pinako.
Wait lang, almost done.
Wait lang.
Bago ka mag-play.
Ikaw naman eh.
Hmm.
Huwag ka munang mag-play.
Almost done.
Mamaya, magpe-pa.
Hindi, hindi, don't touch mo na. Ito mo na, Dali, finish mo na yun para play ka na. Dali.
Oh, come here,
Sit
come
down
here,
ka
come
muna.
here. Oh, what number is this?
Tama.
What number?
1,
This one.
2,
This one.
5.
Ang galing naman
Five.
ng baby ko. Ah, this one,
Ah,
this
JD.
one.
JD, ano ka pa mo?
Halika na dito. Mamaya magpe-play ka. Promise. Okay, what number is this?
1.
This one.
M.
Ha?
M.
And this one.
JD, ay, wala nang toys later.
Dito ka
Oh,
muna.
Dali, finish mo na yun.
Mamaya ka magpe-play. Promise ko yan sa'yo.
Lalag na.
Guma, okay lang yan. O, this one.
1,
This one. Dito ka tumingin. O, ito.
2,
Ito.
5,
Ito.
3.
Balik-balik.
O naman eh.
Yeah.
JD, ay, don't touch ha. Go home na tayo.
Mamaya.
Ay, hala, hindi talaga nakikita.
Halika na, dali. Dito ka.
Bili, para
sit
play
down.
na tayo, bilis. Finish mo muna to,
Ay,
JD.
hindi ka magpe-play.
Ayan.
Hindi ka
No more
sumunod
toys
kay
na.
teacher. Kailangan susunod muna kay teacher.
Teacher.
Alright? Okay, go! Go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Timen.
Next.
1,
Hindi. What number is this? Ito.
5,
This one.
6,
Ito.
5, 10.
9, 10.
Ma, hindi tayo.
Ay, after nito, finish mo muna to para play na tayo, okay?
Alam ka doon.
Start.
Doon na doon.
Ay, tingin mo.
Dito ka na.
Tingin
Dito
mo,
ka
JD,
na.
ang dami, oh.
Okay.
Alam doon.
Star. Ito.
Tayo.
Tayong goal.
This one. Dito
JD,
ka muna.
listen muna.
Mamaya ka magkukulor.
Sit down ka, sit down.
Ito. Ito, what shape? What shape? Red?
Red.
Ito.
Heart.
Heart. Ito.
Ball.
Hindi ko talaga sa ball. Ito.
Echo.
Ito.
Echo.
This one.
Pig.
Okay, wait ka lang ha. Magko-color ka kasi.
Wow.
You will...
Yellow.
Okay, go. You color this. The star. You color this. The star.
Hey, hey,
Wait.
what did you say?
Excuse me. teacher. Okay, next. What color is this?
Yellow.
Ah,
JD?
look at it.
Yellow.
Ay,
Hindi.
pareho ba na sila? Pareho ba to? Anong color to?
Yellow.
Ay, this one.
Red.
Red, very good. Ay, salamat.
Jade.
Oh, you color this. Ay! Ay!
Get mo, baby.
Ay, Ay, sorry. Sorry.
Daming color.
Ang daming color.
Wait lang, JD, wait.
Oh, wait lang ha. Wait lang. Wait. This. The rectangle, yung color. To, this one. Color. Okay. Galing, oh. This one. What color?
Blue.
Very good naman. The heart. You color it blue.
Red.
Yan. Oh, this one.
Orange.
This one, look at it.
Ay, what color?
Green.
Green. Oh, you color the circle green. This one. This one.
Purple.
Okay, you color this.
Red.
This one. What color?
Black.
Talaga naman. Nakakatuwa. Oh, wait lang. What color?
Black.
This one. You look at it carefully. What color?
Black.
Black talaga.
Tina ko.
Ha? Hindi pa, wait lang, wait mo lang.
Hindi nga. What is your name?
2.
Ay, what's your name daw?
1.
What's your name?
1, 2.
Wala na punto eh. So, tara na, go
Ay,
na.
mamaya ka maglalaro.
Bilis na. Ayos mo na.
Halika na dito.
Para mag-play ka na.
Ah. What is this?
Red.
Hair. This one.
Eyes.
Eyes. This one.
Nose.
Ay, what's
This
that?
one? Hindi to nose.
Eye.
Ito.
Nose.
This one. Ito.
Mouth.
Mouth. Galing naman.
Tina ko.
Hindi pa. Wait lang, sindan ka muna. Almost done na, oh.
This one. This one. This one.
Head.
Head naman talaga. This one.
Bubo.
Bubu.
Head.
JD. Sit down ka muna, bilib.
This one.
Ay, wala na. Gahom na tayo.
Ito
Tara
na
na.
tayo. Ay, mamaya ka maglalaro. You sit down muna
Sit down ka
dito.
lang.
Thank you. This one. What is this?
Eyes.
Hindi. Ito. Cute. Ito.
Mouth.
Hindi. This one. This one. Ito.
Neck.
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 This one.
Hand.
Galing. Ito.
Feet.
This one.
Tongue.
Nakakatuwa ka ito.
Hand.
Ito. Hindi. Ito. Oh, what is that? Ay, this one.
Dummy.
Wait mo lang.
That's it, done.
Not yet done.
This one.
Ano?
Feet.
This one.
Feet.
Ay, JD. Sit down ka lang. Ay, malalaglag ka.
This one.
Dairy.
Ha?
Dairy.
Sharing?
Ito, this one. What is that? Elbow.
Elbow.
Sit down ka lang, JD, bago ka mag-play. Sige, carry na kita. Go home na tayo.
Ay.
Sit down lang.
What letter is this?
1,
Ay, letter
Letter.
2.
Oh,
Ay, go home na tayo.
dito
Halika
ka
na.
muna.
Go home na
Ay,
tayo.
hindi.
Go home
Ay,
ka lang.
hindi ka
Sit down ka lang.
magpe-play.
Sit down
Hindi
ka
ka
lang.
magpe-play.
Oh,
Mamaya,
wait,
magpe-play ka mamaya. Tell me, what letter is this?
Ito, M.
Nasa ng M?
Ito, M.
Oh, yun, very good naman. This one. This one.
M.
This one.
1.
This one.
O.
This one.
D.
This one.
W.
This one.
B.
Ah,
X.
this one.
B.
This one.
M.
Dito ka tumingin. Ito.
O.
This one.
S.
This one.
W. O. X. T. O.
Ah.
S.
This one.
Natanda mo?
Not yet done.
Ah, this one.
1.
Ito.
W.
Ah, this one.
N.
Hmm.
H. I. U. S. W.
Tip,
Ah.
tip.
Ikaw kung ano-ano sinasabi mo, ah. Ah,
Sit down.
last na, last.
1, 2, 3.
Nagbibilang ka, ha? Nagbibilang ka, nakakatuwa ka, ha? Yung mga, ano yan, kaya niyang sabihin, yung mga shape, hindi niya lang ma-pinpoint kung ano yung, ano dyan talaga yung, oo, yung circle, yung square, pero kaya niyang sabihin. Mabuti nga kaya niyang sabihin. Yung mga name ng letters, kaya niyang sabihin. Pero may mga nasasabi naman siyang tama. M, B, F, C, S, W, H. Yeah. Ito lang mga small. Hindi niya pa kilala. Yun. Mga colors, alam niya, yung ibang numbers, kaya niyang magbilang, mag-root count up to 10.
Mama, that's
Very good.
Very good idea.
Oh, you like to play?
Yes.
Okay, wait lang.
Oh, wait.
I will tell you something. Okay, you will play, pero you clean it up. Alright? Kung ano yung gusto mong laruin, you clean up. Alright?
No mess, okay?
No.
Oh. Oh, what will you say to teacher? What will you say to teacher Mai? JD, what will you say to teacher Mai first?
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. 1.